In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable automatic dubbing for your YouTube channel. So this way, YouTube will automatically translate your audio tracks into different languages and add them to your video. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So all you need to do is go to YouTube Studio. In case you don't know how to do that, just go to YouTube and go to your profile at the top right. Then go to YouTube Studio right here. Now go to Settings at the bottom left and go to Channel. Click on Advanced Settings and scroll down until you see the automatic dubbing option. So as you can see, it will translate your audio tracks into different languages. So you can allow this feature by clicking this checkbox right here, and then you can choose if you want to manually review dubs before publishing. You can enable or disable this option, and then you can choose if you want to review every audio track or just the tracks on experimental languages, because those are more likely to contain errors. So that's it. That's how you can enable automatic dubbing on your YouTube channel. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.